Good morning, studentistas, and welcome back to Diana Knows. Hi, I am Diana, and today we will be talking about DNA, codons, and anticodons. First, let's talk about DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is present in all living organisms such as animals, plants, bacteria, and humans. Even though all of the said organism has DNA, the composition of DNA found in each organism differentiates them from others. Let's now focus in humans. Human body is made up of billions and trillions of cells, and almost all cells have DNA in their nucleus. The composition of a person's DNA is 99% the same with another person, and the remaining 1% of the DNA is the only one that makes one person unique. So the question now is, what is DNA and why is it important? DNA is necessary because it contains hereditary information such as color of the hair, eyes, and other characteristics that can be seen physically, as well as diseases that is passed from generation to generation. We will now start to talk about DNA in a more detailed discussion. DNA function is to synthesize RNA by a process called transcription that is further translated into proteins by a process termed as translation. Both processes will be further discussed as we go on into the discussion. DNA is a double-stranded structure that is composed of chemical compounds which are made of phosphoric acid, deoxyribosugar, and nitrogenous bases. There are two types of nitrogenous bases. One is purine, which is composed of adenine and guanine. Two is pyrimidine, which is composed of thymine and cytosine. Each strand of DNA is made up of alternating phosphoric acid and deoxyribosugar. Moreover, nitrogenous bases is attached in between the strands of alternating phosphoric acid and deoxyribosugar. Moving on, the combination of a phosphoric acid and deoxyribosugar and one nitrogenous base is called nucleotide, which is bounded together by hydrogen bonds which are weak in the middle. That's why DNA is easily split. DNA is shaped like a ladder that has been twisted, in which the side rails pertain to the double helix structure made of sugar phosphate, and the steps are made of 4 bases. Adenine is A, thymine is T, guanine is G, and cytosine is C. Remember two things. 1. Purine bonds with specific pyrimidine, in which adenine bind with thymine and cytosine bind with guanine. Number 2 is that the importance of DNA lies on its ability to control the formation of proteins.